Hello everyone, every instruction I share in this video has been validated by the mechanics working with me, so don't worry, we'll fix it together. If your Jeep Cherokee KL threw the dreaded service shifter message, don't panic. In simple terms, your Jeep is trying to say, hey, I've got a little problem with the shifter. This doesn't always mean your transmission is broken. Most of the time, it's just that the computer doesn't quite understand the shifter position or a wire decided to take a vacation. The first thing I always recommend is to check the shifter cables and connectors. Yes, those cables running under the bezel or shifter cover. Over time, they can loosen, get dirty, or corrode, which makes the computer receive strange signals. Many mechanics tell me that just cleaning and reconnecting these cables made the message disappear for good. If the cables look fine, the next easy trick is to reset the Jeep's computer. Turning the engine off and on can make the alert disappear temporarily. Some even use button combinations on the steering wheel to reset the display. It's not a permanent fix, but it lets you keep driving stress-free until you can check it thoroughly. Another important point is the battery and ground connections. Yes, a low battery or a loose terminal can confuse the system and trigger this message. Make sure the battery is fully charged and the terminals are clean and tight. Many mechanics report that this solved the problem without spending an extra dollar. If after all this the message still shows up, it's probably time to look at the bezel or the shifter assembly. Many people tell me that replacing this part permanently fixed the problem. Yes, it's more expensive and requires some labor, but if your Jeep won't stop complaining, this is the sure way to quiet it. Finally, there are cases where the computer software needs an update, something Jeep has already acknowledged with an official TSB for certain KL models. Sometimes, a simple update at the shop removes the error without replacing any parts.